How to check UKVI visa status. To check your UK visa status, first gather your details. You'll need your GWF reference number and the email address you used in your application. Sometimes your passport number or date of birth may also be requested. If you used VFS Global for your visa application, go to their Track Your Application page, enter your GWF number and the other required information, then click Submit to view your status. You'll receive an email from UKVI when a decision has been made. If you're approved, you'll get access to your eVisa through your UKVI account. If your visa type includes a physical vignette, you'll also be notified by the Visa Application Center when your passport is ready for pickup. When collecting your passport, bring your QR code from your appointment letter or VFS account and a government-issued photo ID. If someone else is collecting it for you, they'll need an authorization letter and their own ID. If you need help or can't track your application, you can contact UKVI through the official contact form or check with your local visa application center for specific collection and courier options.